Hello. I got something for Christmas. I feel very official. Like I now have on my Elise's Adventures and Cruising Vloggers t-shirt. My family got me this vlogging studio for Christmas. And so I just wanted to show it to you, get it set up, and you guys can let me know how you think the quality is coming out. Still using the same camera, which is my iPhone, but I think the studio, the tripod here, will help me to balance the camera better. It has a light attached. Did I say that already? I'm actually talking to you from it right now. So it's already set up, but I'm going to show you how I did it. And I think it's going to be a good thing. Okay, so this is the Mercury Innovations Vlog Studio 6-piece social media production set. There are all the pieces. And the instruction booklet. Looks like an easy diagram to set this up, so here we go. This is the tripod. The microphone. Don't know what this is called. Cold shoe mount. And then a Bluetooth remote. This, I believe, is like a wind screen for the microphone. Very fuzzy, furry. This screws into this. This, I guess, goes like this. This slides into here. Wonder if you can move the and then the light. That was pretty easy to set up, and I'm using it now, and I'm just going to keep on vlogging. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you're thinking about getting a setup for yourself, this one was nice and easy, and I'll let you know how it goes. You guys let me know how the sound quality is since I'm using the new microphone. Please go ahead and do me a favor, like, follow, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this with a friend. Thank you so much. Bye.